Look at this dove. It's just 2 this time. That time was 3. You know, when I came back from travel, I didn't see that one again. So I noticed that another one started laying eggs here. So I allow it. So it finally give birth. Let me see. I'm gonna train this one this time around. What about the other one? Okay, he's sleeping. Come on. I'm not gonna fight you. I just want to make sure. Let me come and bring food out. Okay. Let me find. He's hungry. Let me bring food out.